So today I will teach you how to make a calculator in Python. So for that, first make a new file and name whatever you want. I'm going to name calculator1 and then end it with .py. This is the extension file for Python. Now enter. Now we'll make it with four operations: addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So first we have to write print and then in bracket with the inverted commas write first is add. This means if we write 1 then we will add. Now we have to do the same thing again and again, but don't forget to add this. Sorry, we don't have to add this. Now copy this and paste it 4 times. Oops. Paste it 4 times. Now just change the input inside. Change it to subtract. Change this to multiply and change this to whole divide. So this will come over here and then over here write option equals int, which means integer data type, brackets input, another bracket, write operation, or you can write which operation you want, but as I made a mistake, don't you make it that which is forgetting to put the inverted commas. Put these and then write operation and then add a space or put an equal sign or put these. This. So this is done, but don't forget to put one over here. No, we don't have to put it, I'm sorry. So now we have to write if and then in bracket option in this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means that if the printing we are choosing is from 1 to 4, then this will work. We'll write num1 is equal to input double inverted comma enter first number done. And copy this, paste it again, just change these. So this will turn into num2 and this will turn into second. So this is now complete. Now add an else command and write, don't forget to put this semicolon and then write invalid operation entered. But again I forgot to put one thing, which was the double inverted comma, and this is a very common mistake. It shouldn't happen. Now we'll write the conditions. First start with if, because this is a new part of conditions we are starting, and write in commas option equal, we have to put equals 2 times, that's the rule. This, but we have to put a comma. And there is a shortcut that if you use tab, then it will automatically come this far, and if you use space bar, then it will take 4 times. So 4 space bar is equal to 1 tab space. You understand? So then we'll say that result, which is another variable, is equal to num1 plus num1 plus num2. Since 1 represents addition, now we have to copy this and paste it 3 more times. But we have to do one change, which will be elif. So elif means else if, which means if this is not true, then this will be true, and if this is not true, then we'll add else. So if option is equal to 2, then num1 is minus num2. Now just copy this and paste it 2 more times. I pasted it one time and then another time. It's very simple. So now over here it will be 3, and over here it will be multiplication. Remember, in Python or any code, for multiplication you will not use it. It does not mean anything. You will use this star icon, which you can get by pressing Shift plus 8. This is the sign for multiplication. And the same thing over here, you will use 4 and then right slash. So you use this when it's a whole number, but you use the double slash when it's an integer and it can go negative. So we are almost done. There's one more thing we have to add. We have to write print over here and then double inverted comma. Right? Your result is, add a dash or a equal or a colon. It's no problem. I'll use a dash. Or you can simply, I'm writing this, sorry, it's not you, it's your. You can write this or anything else, or you can just write result, it's no problem. Then write dot format. And don't forget, over here you will have to add curly brackets. This means this is the result. And over here then in normal bracket, write result. So this is done. Your calculator is done. It's this simple. And if I call the function, yeah. Now if I want to add, I will press 1 and then I will enter. So enter first number. Let's say I'll add 2 and second number is 3. So as you can see, the result is 5. Now this looks like minus 1. Why? Because I wrote it like that and it is correct, but it looks like it's negative 5, right? So we can fix that. So instead of hyphen, we can add a equal, which is good. Or we can also add a space. That's also good. Let's control save it and then again play it. So now let's try again. I want to add, so I'll press 1 and then enter first number, which is 2. Then second number, which is 3. So as you can see, it's now 5 and it's very clear that it's not negative. So let's try again. It's a bigger number, and let's do let's say we have to do multiplication. So we'll write 3 and let's say first number is, let's give a very big number, 99. Enter. Second number, again 99. As you can see, it's the correct answer, 9801. Let's try with subtraction now. For subtraction it's 2, so I'll write 2 and then enter first number. Now let's take it. We'll write first number and second number will be 14. Let's see what will the answer be. See, it has figured out. The answer is -2 and it's correct. It has figured it out. So in Python it will always figure it out. You'll have to do nothing. It's just this simple formula, this simple code. It will not even take 5 minutes. Now you can press again and do division. Let's do division. For division it's 4. Enter. First number, let's say it's 34. And second number is 2. So if we enter it, the answer is 70. It's correct. And now, as we have seen, we have written else print invalid operation entered, which means if we have not entered from a number from 1 to 4, that means it's an invalid operation. So let's try to write 5. What will happen? So see, it's written invalid operation entered. So which means our code is correct. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you found this tutorial easy, and keep posting much easier tutorials. So this was my first Python tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you very much, and please subscribe.